If you want to delete an instant from Instagram, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to delete an instant in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap the messages icon on the bottom center of your screen. If you've already had an instant that you've shared and want to remove, tap the instance plus icon on the bottom right. You'll now see your instance. Now tap the 4 square icons on the top right. From the new menu that appears, tap and hold to see the option for Delete Instant, and then tap Delete Instant. Once it's been deleted, other people will no longer be able to view that instant. You can also tap an instant, and then tap the 3 dots on the top right, and then finally tap Delete Instant. And that is all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy to follow Instagram tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.